What's up guys, it's me, Skyboo, and I am back for part 2 of drawing my comic characters. Today I am going to be drawing Gwen, the hybrid bunny. So bunny, person, hybrid. And I'm going to be doing it right now, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be using the iPad. And when I use the iPad, I can add more creativity and fun and add more stuff like that. So let's get to it. So yeah, I'm gonna start the corner. Okay. So now I'm gonna start drawing like a sketch of her, so I know what she's gonna look pose like, I'm using a thinner brush. It's called Untitled brush. And I'm drawing in Procreate on my iPad. Unlike last time, I drew on paper. Gwen, she's very shy when you don't know her, and she doesn't know you because, she's very cautious sometimes, especially when she's around people she doesn't know or people she doesn't like because they're not nice to her. But when you get to know her and when you get to be really nice to her and all this stuff, she is a very exciting person. She loves the game, draw, and all this stuff. She's kind of like me a bit. I'm doing the mouth now. Okay, yeah, actually, the mouth is really hard. She's gonna be smiling, because she's maybe she won a game when she was gaming with her friends, and she was like, yeah, I won. So I want her to get excited or very happy look and very cute look. Because, bunnies are cute. And she's going to be cute. So, yeah. I'm going to give her, maybe she's sticking her tongue out. She's like, I don't know. I just thought it was nice. But actually, you know what? It doesn't fit her personality too much, so I'm just gonna leave her mouth yeah. Now I'm gonna draw a little bit of hair strands, like this little strands of hair, because she normally ties her hair in a bun, but maybe on this occasion he leaves hair. Actually he always does that. Now I'm gonna go on to her bunny ears. So her bunny ears, they're gonna be a bit long, and they're gonna be a bit chubby and fat, or like that, because I thought that looked cute. Now I'm going on to her bun. I'm gonna put a little bit of hair sticking out, so it looks a bit cute, and also the hair actually looks a bit like a heart, like that. So yeah. Now I'm going on to her body, upper body, I'm saying. Maybe she's like that. She's doing the peace sign like I do. Okay, now she's just being me. So instead, I'm just gonna give her maybe she's saying a hi, or she's maybe just putting down her hands like that. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put in her gaming headphones. I'm never that good at gaming headphones. Wait, maybe gaming AirPods, because her ear is actually up here. So gaming AirPods, right? How do I put on headphones on a bunny? That's the thing I'm confused about. yeah, I'm not gonna add headphones this time, you know what? Because, you know, I don't know how to draw headphones on a bunny hybrid like Gwen. Or any other hybrid, because all their ears are always up here instead of down here like a normal human. So yeah. She's like standing there. She's like, yep, I won that game. Or something. Or maybe she's just, she won a board game instead of like a gaming or like a console game or something. Like cardboard game. So she like stands up and she's like, ha. She's gonna fling her hands up actually. She's like that. Like that. But then I'm gonna change her mouth to that. To like something that expresses the fact that, you know, she won a game and she's expressing it out. There. Since she is like 14, like everybody else in the game, she's gonna have long arms like everyone, because, you know, because there's something weird about the fact that the longer your arms are to me, like the longer your arms are, the older you seem to look in a way. I don't know. It just seems right. And her arms, I kind of just changed the style of the hands, because she's like now I'm just drawing them more cartoony and simple. So when I draw the comic, it won't take that long. So yeah. Now I am done with the sketch. Oh, I forgot to add something. I'm going to put 2 layers. On the 3rd layer, it's going to say lighten, and you're going to see why I'm going to do that. I'm doing that later. But now I'm on to layer 2. I'm going to make layer 1 a bit, lighter so I can draw on layer 2. Now I'm going to pick a different pen called Sketch Brush Variants. And I'm going to go to Sketch Hard Blunt. Number 3. And I'm actually just gonna make it a bit less thicker, because, well, you know, it's her eyes, and I don't want it to look like she has a bunch of like eyeliner or something, because she's like the shy one. She's not like you know, she's not like hardcore or anything, unless it comes to certain things she likes. Now I'm onto that little thing. Like, she covers half her face with hair because she's like hiding something, and I'm not gonna show you until in the comic. So you guys better wait for that. Maybe her her mouth is a bit like that. She's like, yeah. I'm drawing her teeth a bit there, because, well, you know, characters need teeth. How else would they talk? You know. So yeah, they need teeth. I'm gonna put a little bit of a circle blush, like the circle type of blush, in like cartoon anime things. Yeah. Because I think it would look very, very cute on Gwen. And her hair is very poofy and fluffy. And yeah, because, well, fluffy hair makes it look pretty cute. I don't want to go too overboard with that cuteness. I just want her to look cute, because, you know, I think I already went a tiny bit overboard with the cuteness. Just a yeah. So now I'm on to her other bunny ear, since I just drew the other bunny ear. That one. So yeah. Now I'm on to her cute little bun. That heart piece of hair just sticking out, like so. Now I'm onto her shirt. Maybe she's like wearing a bit something like a coat, actually, or maybe like just a jacket. Yeah, I'm gonna make her wear a jacket. Cause why not? So I think it's gonna her jacket's gonna have a bit of a collar. Yeah. Now it's kind of looking a bit like a coat, but I won't mind that. Right now, it already looks pretty nice anyway. And her jacket, it has no sleeves. Then, because I just thought sleeveless jacket would look nice. Then I'm gonna do a little circle here, then a line, and then another line. For some reason. Yeah, I think that just looks cute. It's like maybe she's a part of some sort of like cheerleading team, and she's just wearing that jacket. Now I'm drawing a shirt in the jacket, cause well, you know, kind of seeing all this stuff. Yeah, and yeah, and the shirt, it's gonna be another sleeveless shirt, cause well, why not? And it's probably summer where this takes place, or at least a hot a kind of hot spring. And now I'm gonna have to draw right through this. So I'm gonna have so I can erase like the excess bunny ears showing off through the arm for some reason, cause well, you know. Now I'm onto her fist. Oh no. Onto her fist. And yeah, her fist is kind of a bit of a C shape. Like down. Like that. Yeah. And yeah, so far now I'm gonna go erase the bunny ears showing right through, like and my arm's like and then it goes right through the arm for no reason. And yeah. Now I'm going on to draw back that part of the arm that's, you know, kind of all smudgy or something with all those edges, because, well, you know, I just want it to look a bit neater. Now I want her to wear some sort of jean pantsuit, like that, because it's probably at school at the moment, so why not? And I'm pretty sure jean pants or just jeans would look very cute on her. Don't forget to add little pockets there. It's like that, dot. Yeah, let's not do that. Now I'm gonna draw this part of the leg, and over on this part, it's kind of showing off a bit more, so I'm gonna draw a bit of the shape on this part. And maybe just a bit of a shoe showing off right there. I don't think I really need to erase much of it. Now I'm on to this arm. And her arm is just a bit like the hand, but like cartoony. I think I did that in the last video with the hands just like that. Yeah, so like just like that. Now I'm gonna draw her little bunny tail in the back, and I am done with that. Now I'm gonna speed up this part because it's gonna take a tiny bit of a long time for me to continue doing this speed up. So, speed up time! So guys, I just finished up the drawing and I think it looks good. So that is Gwen, and I hope you guys like it, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and maybe press that like button and ring the notification bell so you can hear more of my content when they come out. So bye guys, see you in the next video.